Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can edit or change the signature on Outlook. So please don't forget to like and subscribe before we begin, and let's dive in. And so the first we need to go and open the browser. You can do this either with the app or the website, but I prefer to go to the website, so I'm going to search for Outlook. And here I go to Outlook. And then once I'm here in the Outlook website, just wait a few seconds until it's opening. Now once the website opening of Outlook, we'll go to click here on the settings icon, and then we'll go to email or mail, let us say. And here we can search for signature. If you couldn't find it, no worries about it. Just go here for search and search for signature, email signature. In here, this is my signature. I can edit this one, or even though I can choose between 2 or 3 options that I got. I have only one so far. Also, I can make this for new messages, for new signature, or even for me. And for replies and forwards, I can do edit as well for this one. And this is the message format. I can edit this one as well. And the font size, and so on. Even though I can add a new signature by click on this plus button and add a new signature. That's the title, and this is the signature itself. Then I click on save to save my changes. And so that was all today's video. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.